Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. Tutorial: How to interrupt a Python script. Interrupting a Python script can be necessary for various reasons, such as handling user input, responding to signals, or managing long-running processes. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to gracefully interrupt a Python script with code examples. The most common way to interrupt a Python script is by sending a keyboard interrupt signal, typically triggered by pressing ctrl+c in the terminal. You can handle the signal using a try except block. In this example, the script continuously executes its logic until a keyboard interrupt exception is raised by pressing ctrl+c. The exception is caught, and a message is printed to indicate the interruption. The signals module allows you to handle various signals sent to your Python script. You can define a signal handler function and register it to handle specific signals. In this example, the signal_handler function is called whenever a SIGINT, ctrl+c, or sigterm signal is received. It gracefully exits the script when either of these signals is encountered. You can use threading to run your script logic in a separate thread and monitor user input or signals in the main thread. Here's an example. This example runs the script logic in one thread while listening for interrupt signals in another. It stops the script when the user presses enter. In this tutorial, we've explored various methods to interrupt a Python script gracefully. Whether you need to handle user input, respond to signals, or manage long-running processes, these techniques provide flexibility and control over script execution. Choose the method that best fits your use case and ensure proper handling to maintain script reliability and user experience.